Dedicated to quality and innovation, the next company we visited is the largest specialty contractor in the country. Come with us to St. Louis and meet Western Specialty Contractors. With a rich history that dates back to 1915 and over 30 offices nationwide, Western Specialty Contractors is America's answer to restoration and preservation.
Western Specialty Contractors was established in 1915. With a current footprint of over 30 offices, we focus on facade restoration and preservation, structural repairs, roofing, and waterproofing.
One of the things that makes Western so unique is that unlike other companies of our size who focus primarily on new construction, Western focuses primarily on restoration of buildings. So with 30 branches and our history, you can imagine we have some pretty cool projects under our belt. We have the St. Louis Arch, Maggie Daley Park in Chicago, Alcatraz, the Space Needle in Seattle, the Washington Monument and Reflection Pools in DC, and the list goes on and on and on.
As experts in all phases of exterior building restoration, Western Specialty Contractors offers a bevy of services.
Western provides a wide array of services surrounding the building envelope. Facade restoration, including concrete and masonry, caulking, waterproofing and roofing, and structural repairs to parking structures, garages, and stadiums.
Western Specialty Contractors even provide seismic retrofitting and earthquake prevention.
Seismic retrofitting is a new service we've taken on several years ago. With more stringent codes being developed around the country, we found that the technology of new products allows us to go in and add structural integrity to buildings or structures that would otherwise have to be torn down.
Safety is our number one priority. That goes above anything. And secondly, it's customer satisfaction and quality of work. Those are the top things that we do, but we can really differentiate ourselves from others depending on the different type of work needed. We can make any types of repairs from the roof to the facade down to the footing in your parking garages. Depending on the age of the building, we may just do protective maintenance, or we could possibly, have to make some building restoration repairs. Just depends on the severity and the age of the building.
The reason that Western Specialty Contractors was given the opportunity to work on these iconic structures in the United States is, for one, because of our industry reputation. Two, the quality control measures that we have put into place and the safety standards that are unmatched by any of our competitors. And then lastly, the unwavering relationships that only 100 years in business can create.
I've worked with Western Specialty Contractors on several projects, and it's always been a pleasure. They provide quality work, they keep us informed of changes, and they help us through unforeseen challenges. Having a contractor like this is valuable and makes the process seamless.
Innovative, dedicated, and trustworthy, Western Specialty Contractors is one of the world's greatest.